Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public utility company business. So if you run a public utility company, then manually responding to all the inquiries can be very time-consuming process which can slow you down. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will report outrages and send real-time restoration updates all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for public utility company with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to PowerServe Utilities. I'm here to help you with bills, outrages or updates. Please choose an option." And it has provided us with 3 options. So I'm going to select the first one. And it responds with, "Please share details to report outrage." And here I'm going to send this. And it responds with, "Thank you. We have registered your name as demo user. Now kindly let us know about your area or landmark." So here I am going to send another demo response like ABC Nagar XYZ Mall. And it responds with, "Your report has been submitted. We are working on it and will keep you updated." And next I am going to select this restoration time. And our chatbot responds with, "Outrage alert for your area. Status under maintenance, estimated restoration 4 to 6 hours. Thank you for your patience." And lastly, I'm going to click on contact support. You can reach our support team, call on this given number or email us at this given email address. Live agent will contact you shortly. This is how our public utility company chatbot works. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, we have to visit main landing page of Pabbly. And for that, we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. And when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to give it a more relevant name like WhatsApp chatbot for your public utility company. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which we have an option to enter keywords, which is used to enter some keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Once we are done with our basic setup, we can start curating our first message, and for that, I'm going to access text button. And here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I have added my message, and our message will look like this. Welcome to PowerServe Utilities. I'm here to help you with bills, outrages, or updates. Please choose an option. Here with the help of this add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options. Once we are done with our first message, we will start curating response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with report power outrage. And for this, I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to get the details. Please share details to report outrage. First, kindly enter your full name. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. And to select contact custom field, you have to create one first. And to do that, save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom field. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. And once you're done with creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select name as we are asking for the name. And as format, I'm going to select text. And here we can see option to enter number of attempts, validation message. So I'm going to leave validation message empty as we are asking for name. Then I'm going to connect it with corresponding quick reply option. And once the user responds with their name, I'm going to ask them another question. So here I'm going to add, thank you, we have registered your name as. Here you can see I have added these little signs because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. $name. Name was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Now kindly let us know about your area or landmark. So again, in the contact custom field, I'm going to select this add contact custom field this time, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it with the question box and then create another response for this. Your report has been submitted. We are working on it and will keep you updated. Now we are going to move ahead with our second quick reply option that says restoration time. So here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Outrage alert for your area. Status under maintenance. Estimated restoration 4 to 6 hours. Thank you for your patience. And lastly, I'm going to create a response for contact support. So here I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to share all the contact details from which the user can contact us. Here I've added this message which will look like this. You can reach our support team, call on this given number or email us on this given address. Live agent will contact you shortly. And this is how we create a WhatsApp chatbot for your public utility company. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, and if you want to create the same, then you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you're done creating your chatbot, you can save it, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.